How to add a phone number to your Roblox account. So first you want to head to roblox.com and make sure you're signed in. Now click on this settings icon and go to settings. And under account info, you should see the phone number option, and with the red warning if you don't have a phone added already. You'll simply need to click on add phone and choose your country code and then enter your phone number. And then you want to press continue to receive an SMS on your phone, which contains a code that you will need to enter here to confirm your phone number. Now, if for some reason you cannot add a phone number, it's because maybe you have used it on another account, or even if an account has been banned and the phone number is still linked to it, you cannot use that phone number again. Also, this phone number option seems to only appear for certain countries and not every country. So if it doesn't appear for you, probably your country is not supported to add phone number. And even if you manage somehow to choose a different country to display this option right here, when you click add phone, your country might not be in this list of the country codes for phone numbers. And if it's not here, you can't simply receive an SMS to your own mobile phone. So you might even need to use a different number or maybe a friend's number to verify your account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.